Okay.
What's up, everybody? Back on air now. Poor Austin been sick. We ain't had no cameraman.
That's not even not me that was sick.
Your dad.
Yeah.
Thought y'all both had it. But yeah, so we ain't had no editor. Behind the scenes, Joe, he's been sick. And it's going around, you know, everybody's getting sick. But yeah, we're back in action now. I know you guys probably missed us. But yeah, I'm working on the blue Mustang.
Not really blue.
Had to
right
take
now.
all this, had to open up a little hole there and crawl in and cover up all these holes in the firewall. I don't get no overspray in the cab. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Come on out here, I'll show you Mike's Mustang.
Oh, okay.
All right, y'all, so here goes Mike's Mustang. We've been prepping the firewall and the aprons here. We spend more time on this engine compartment here than most people spend on the outside of the car, blocking the primer down. But if you come over here and look, we started out with 220, sanded it all the orange peel off, and blocked it down flat. Then we went to 320. And then we finished it up with some of this stuff here, final stuff, and a Scotch-Brite pad. Put a little bit of that paste on your Scotch-Brite, get it wet, and just rub the crap out of it until it's smooth. But this pretty much removes all the sand scratches from the sandpaper. So, yeah, it ain't gonna be long. We'll have this in the paint booth, spraying some color on it. I'm excited to see something get painted. Check out another Mustang. It's pretty nice. It's here just to get looked at, make sure it's roadworthy before the guy goes out driving it and all his brake fluid pours out and he crashes, you know, something like that. But yeah, we're just gonna give it a once over, make sure everything's good, and fix anything we find wrong with it. What else? Got a fuel pump on the old Ford F100 or whatever it is, Ranger. Got it fixed. What else we got going on? Jeep body. I'm gonna block it down with a wet sand it with 400. I'll be doing that here in a minute after I finish taping up that car. I'll show you a little footage of that. Yeah, whenever you're taping something up, you want to make sure all your edges is pushed down real tight. Any little small hole is going to let overspray in. And if your tape don't want to stick to the car, take you a little bit of wax and grease remover and paper towel, wipe it down, and then you take a little bit of alcohol and clean it with then your tape should stick. I just went through that with that firewall. I like never got that tape to stick. I had to use duct tape because that yellow tape wasn't sticky enough.
Mm-hmm.
But I had to clean it all before I could get the tape to stick. But yeah, just a little tip. A little tip. I'm gonna cut that music off. So these are the fenders and doors for the Mike's Mustang. So I got them all blocked down, and I took them to 320 dry, and then I think we're gonna wet sand those with 400 too. So look forward to that. Been sanding for days now. Make your arm strong. Make your arm strong. Been sanding for about a week. Not really a week, but something like that. What's up, everybody? We're back. Got the Jeep out of here. About to wet sand it for 400. What you want to do is get you a bucket of water, put your little soap in there. Got a bottle of water, squirt bottle with soapy water in it too. But you can spray it down. Try not to fall off the stool. And you want to hold your block flat. You don't want to put it up on the edge and on the edges. You don't want to rock over the edge. You want to hold it flat. You don't go all the way off the edge like that because you'll roll over. Just go up to the edge like that. Just got a little bit of it. You want to go in an X pattern like that. You do X. If you look here real close, come real close. See, it's got guide coat on it still. So you want to sand until you get all them black specks off. And you want it to all be even. You'll feel it starting to drag. You start sticking to it. You just spray that off. Go a little smoother for you. See what I mean? Yep. See it? Just keep. What's up, everybody? So we're here with the green Mustang. Steve's been working on it. You look there, you see the spring purchase. So it's getting some type of frame in here, right? And it's going to have control arms and everything, tubular control arms, and coilovers, right? So we got these panels here, spring perch delete panels is what I'm calling them. I don't know the technical term, but come here, look at it. You got it welded in. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Got it all welded in. He's working on that side now. But yeah, a little update on the green Mustang. Got it all seam sealed yesterday. That's it.